Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we are discussing about the how can we separate the cream from milk. So, how can we separate the cream from milk? We have to use the centrifugation method. What is the centrifugation method? How can we separate the from the centrifugation method? If solid particles is dissolved in liquid, means we have to separate by the centrifugation method. And what are the applications is there centrifugation method? Used in the diagnostic laboratories for blood and urine tests, used in dairies and home to separate butter from cream, used in washing machines to squeeze out water from wet cloths. Up to here, last class we are discussing. Today I am going to discuss about the how can we separate a mixture of two immiscible liquids. Immiscible liquids, how can we separate? Immiscible means the two liquids they won't be dissolved each other. That is not a uniform composition. It is not a uniform composition. Okay, give one example for immiscible liquids. Number of examples is there. For suppose oil and water, kerosene and water, diesel and water. These are the immiscible liquids. That immiscible liquids, how can we separate? How can we separate a mixture of two immiscible liquids? Immiscible liquids. Here by the activity we have to understand easily. Immiscible liquids, for suppose here we have to take the kerosene oil and water. Immiscible liquids we have to separate by the separating funnel. What is the instrument name? Separating funnel. Before that, cream from milk we have to use the centrifugation machine. But here separating funnel. What is the separating funnel? Here separating funnel this is a diagram of separating funnel. This is a separating funnel. In this separating funnel, we have to take the kerosene oil and water. When we are pour the mixture of kerosene oil and water, two layers will be formed. Two layers will be formed. Here, this is a stopcock, and this is a separating funnel. This above layer is a kerosene oil. Below layer is a water. This is the instrument name is separating funnel, separating of immiscible liquids. Separating of immiscible liquids. Okay, how can we separate this kerosene oil and water from the separating funnel? Let us try to separate the kerosene oil from water using a separating funnel. By the using separating funnel, we have to try to separate the kerosene oil and water. Pour the mixture of kerosene oil and water in a separating funnel. First we have to pour kerosene oil and water mixture on the separating funnel. here let us try to separate kerosene oil from water. From the water we have to separate the kerosene oil by using the separating funnel. By using separating funnel, and pour the mixture of kerosene oil. Pour the mixture of kerosene oil and water in a separating funnel. And let it stand undisturbed for some time so that separate layers of oil and water are formed. We can pour the mixture of the kerosene oil and water into the separating funnel. After that we can undisturbed some time so that separate layers of oil and water will be formed. When we did not undisturbed the separating funnel, two layers will be formed. One is a kerosene oil layer and another one is a water layer. And let it stand undisturbed for some time so that separate layers will be formed. Layers. What is that layer? Layer of oil and water are formed. Separate layer, one is oil, another one is a water layer will be formed. Open the stopcock. Next, open the stopcock of the separating funnel and pour out the lower layer of water carefully. Here lower layer is a water is there. Open the stopcock. When we are opening the stopcock of the separating funnel and pour out this lower layer of the water carefully. Open the stopcock of the separating funnel and pour out the lower layer. What is the lower layer? Lower layer is a water. Lower layer of water carefully. And close the stopcock of the separation funnel as the oil reaches the stopcock. When we are pour out the lower layer, after what will happen? Close the stopcock of the separating funnel. As the oil reaches, above layer is oil. When oil reaches the stopcock, that time we have to close the stopcock. Close the stopcock of the separating funnel. As the oil reaches the stopcock. When the oil reaches the stopcock, we have to close the stopcock. And applications. This is about by this separating funnel we have to separate the oil and water, kerosene oil and water. How can we separate? First we have to pour the mixture of the oil and water into the separating funnel, and after some time we did not disturb the separating funnel, then two layers will be formed. After that we have to open the stopcock. Then what will happen? Pour out the lower layer. This is the lower layer is of water. We have to pour out the lower layer. After that, when the kerosene oil reaches to the stopcock, we can close the stopcock. So we have to separate individually, water and oil, by this separating funnel. Here what are the applications? Applications means uses. What are the applications is there? Applications of separating funnel. What is the applications is there? To separate mixture of oil and water. First one is to separate mixture of oil and water. In the extraction of iron from its ore, the lighter slag is removed from the top by this method to leave the molten iron at the bottom in the furnace. In the extraction of iron, when we are extracting the iron from its ore, we have to use the separating funnel method. How can we use? The lighter slag is removed from the, when we are extracting the iron from its ore, it is having the some impurities. Impurities means slag, like that we have to obtain. So by the separating funnel we have to separate the lighter slag, and by this method leave the molten iron at the bottom in the furnace. In the extraction of iron from its ore, in the extraction of iron from its ore, how can we use? The lighter slag is removed from the top by this method to leave the molten iron at the bottom in the furnace. And next one, immiscible liquids separate out in layer depending on their density. Here immiscible liquids, how can we separate out in layers depending on their density. This method is depending on the densities of the immiscible liquids. Here water is there and kerosene oil is there. Water density is more compared than kerosene. That's why water is below layer and kerosene oil is above layer. This method is immiscible liquids separate out in layers depending on their densities. Okay, this method is depending on their immiscible liquids densities. This is about the how can we separate a mixture of two immiscible liquids, that is the kerosene oil and water. Applications is to separate the mixture of oil and water. In the extraction of iron from its ore, we have to use the lighter slag is removed from the top by this method to leave the molten iron at the bottom in the furnace. And immiscible liquids separate out in layer depending on their density. Okay, this is about the separating of immiscible liquids.